the FTEcu GP shift kit for the 2023 Kawasaki ZX-4RR. So one of the things a lot of the guys are asking about is how they can make this bike switch from standard shift to GP shift. And the challenge you have with the standard shifter is that the body is so large, normally it sits down here and it clears the frame. When you want to flip the shift knuckle up to shift in the opposite direction, the sensor is so large that it gets in the way of the frame. The other challenge you have is that the shifter voltage cannot be reversed in the standard shift sensor. So FTEcu has made a little kit, and I'll show you this. Just need to pull this out of here for you. And you can just simply, for standard shift, you see it, the up and the down, you can just move the little clip. From one to the other. And then you can just flip the shift knuckle over and you can go from standard to reverse shift. There's no flashing of the ECU required. And this kit will work with just about any set of rear sets, including the stock rear sets.